Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are doing great. This is your biology class, and this class circulate around a very important topic from unit number 8. Topic 8.1, ATP, the cell's energy currency, from page number 120 and 121. And I'm your instructor, Sir Humayun Ali. So, as I have mentioned in the previous class, the structure of ATP. The ATP is composed of 3 subunits, a 5-carbon ribose sugar, the nitrogenous bases or rings, and 3 phosphate groups. So, as the title itself tells, that what we are going to study today. We are going to study about how energy is released from the breakdown of ATP, and later we will also study how the energy from the glucose is used to form the ATP. This is very important slide because it tells us how the energy is released from ATP. As you can see, there are 2 cylinders. The one with the more molecules of gas and the other one with less molecules of gas. As you have already known that more molecules means more kinetic energy and the less molecules means less kinetic energy. The ATP structure is also like with a cylinder with full of molecules. Because ATP is very unstable molecule, it has a lot of energy stored in it. And when the phosphates or the bonds present between the phosphates gets broken down, that energy is released. Now understand the concept in a chemical way. As you can see, the ATP has a 3-phosphate, and when the water with a specific enzyme react with the ATP or the phosphates or the bonds present between the phosphates gets broken down with the help of phosphate, and ATP is converted into ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and a huge amount of energy is released. Now the question is, how much energy is released? So, by the breakdown of 1 mole of ATP, about 7.3 kilocal energy is released. And how much we require in our daily routine? We require approximately 3,000 kilocalories. It means around 400 mole of ATP can give us that amount of energy. Now in the second part, we will discuss from where the energy comes to form the ATP. Because if we use or bake the ATP continuously, ATP will be short. So we have to replenish the ATP. Again, understand that analogy of cylinders as the ATP is a molecule with less kinetic energy. We will provide that energy from the full source, and we will form the ATP, which have high particles or more kinetic energy. A very important slide comes to the screen. As you can see on the right side, the glucose breakdown release energy. That energy will be used to form ATP into ATP. Again, this picture also depicts that how ATP is formed. The energy from the breakdown of glucose will help to form the ATP into ATP.